On today's menu, an amazing stir fry that's Kung Pao chicken inspired. Vegan Kung Pao Tofu.
Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. The secret to a great stir fry is actually to plan ahead. Once you have all your ingredients prepped, you're just cooking everything on high heat in quick succession.
Preheat your oven to 375. Dry your extra firm tofu with a paper towel to get rid of some of the excess water. Chop into bite-sized cubes.
Now instead of just throwing the tofu into the stir fry as is, we're going to bake it, and it's going to get this really nice crispy outer layer.
Salt, pepper, olive oil, toss. Line your tofu on a baking tray and bake in the oven for 20 minutes.
While your tofu is in the oven, prep your sauce and your vegetables.
Garlic, ginger, green onion.
And we're going to cook these with the garlic and onion, so keep them in bigger pieces. These are incredible dried chili peppers. Now remove the seeds from them first, or else your pan will be just littered with the seeds. And just remove the tops of each one, and then we'll remove the seeds altogether.
Chop. Shiitake mushrooms.
And now for your most amazing and simple sauce.
1 tablespoon cane sugar, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil.
Just give that a quick stir, just to dissolve all that sugar. Smells absolutely amazing. I just cannot wait to show you how amazing the tofu looks. Yes, that is amazing. Start with the pan hot but dry. We're just going to toast some sichuan peppercorns.
1 teaspoon Szechuan pepper, toast for 1 minute.
I can already smell it. That just lets out some of that aromatics.
Pestle and mortar. Grind. Olive oil. Start with your ginger, garlic, and green onion. Ground pepper. Tofu and mushrooms.
You just have to keep all that stuff moving.
Dry chilies.
Just remember, high heat, and just keep everything moving.
Sauce.
And the sauce just brings everything out of the pan and back into that incredible stir fry.
Cashews.
That is absolutely incredible.
A sensational stir fry you can make with absolute confidence.
That is just incredible. Serve this on a bed of amazing rice, and it's game over. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.